So let's get started with this tutorial. Clean face. We're going to start off to moisturize our face with my Clinique Dramatically Different, I think it is. Then I'm using the Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer as well. My skin is very dry, so I got to pack on moisturizers. This has SPF 30, so it's really good. Now we're moving on to the Nivea Pus Balm Shave. Wait, I think it's Pus Shave Balm. I'm sorry. And I'm using this as one of my primers. This helps a lot with soothing my skin. But then I'm going also with this foundation, which is the Born This Way, which is Too Faced. And then I'm applying that drops. These are the Cover FX custom infusion drops. F plus Neroli. This is for pretty much hydration. And sorry, I had to take off my ears. I'm sorry, my earrings. So I'm applying a few drops of that into the beauty blender, and then I'm picking up the foundation and I'm just pretty much blending it all over my face. Key here is blend, 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 blend. And if you want a little more coverage, you can always go back and apply. Then I'm moving here on with my eyebrows, and I'm using the NYX, I think it's called a Sculpt and Highlight Brow Pencil. And I normally don't do this on camera because it takes a lot of time. So I'm going to just pretty much fast forward to me getting them done. So then after that, I prep my eyes. I just pretty much apply a little bit of concealer. I just blend it and then I set it with powder to avoid creasing of the eyeshadows. And I am going in with the Anastasia, this one is Dress Your Face palette. And I'm going to grab that corally color on the bottom and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. You're going to see me during this video packing on a lot of it because I want a lot to show. Now, as my transition color, I am picking up a color that is close to the Hoola bronzer, something that is close to your a little bit darker, just a tiny bit light darker than your eyes, just to pretty much help as a transition color. And I don't know why I didn't show it here, but I forgot to apply it as my transition color before applying the lid. But I'm just pretty much moving on to the lid, and like I said, I'm packing on a lot of that corally color because I want it really bright. So for a little bit of definition, I'm going in with the same palette, but I'm grabbing the color in chocolate, which is that dark brown. Any palette that you have that has dark brown will definitely work. And I'm just applying this on my crease and I'm blending it upwards. This is just pretty much going to be a little more of definition onto the eyes. And then I'm grabbing a pencil liner and I am outlining my lash line. This is going to help me guide myself to where I want my liquid liner to fall and I don't go either too thick or too thin. So this is just a trick that I've been doing lately and I've seen that it's worked wonders. So we're going to go on to the winging of the liner. I always start at at the end of the eye and I just draw the wing and then I go upwards and I connect and I start drawing close to my lash line. So that's pretty much what I do. Once I have that wing, I just pretty much start connecting everything, making sure that it's the thickness that I want of the liner. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, just first the wing and then connect it and bring it inwards and then just pretty much making sure that everything is evened out. So once the eyeliner is done, I don't really want to do so dramatic. I go in with mascara. I pack on a lot of mascaras because I am not using falsies on this video. So just pack on a lot of mascara of your favorite mascara just to make sure your eyelashes stand out. I pack on two different ones. I think I'm wearing the Tarte Hello Lashes and the It Cosmetics Superhero. Then I'm going in with color correcting my under eyes, and this I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, HD Pro Concealer, something like that, in the salmony color. And I'm just pretty much blending it away. This helps a lot. Then I'm using the NYX HD Concealer, which has been my holy grail concealer for a while now. It's super creamy, super blendable, and is super, super, super bright. And just pretty much triangular shape. Bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and just a little bit on the side just to define my contour. And then with the beauty blender, of course, say it with me, blend. Blend everything. Let me fast forward to this. Come on. You guys seen me blend my concealer a million of times. Concealer does a difference. difference. Now I'm setting my concealer with the NYX HD powder in Banana. So pretty much everywhere I put concealer, I'm just setting and I'm patting. We don't want to make your concealer crease. The same thing I did to my eyes, I'm doing at the bottom. I'm applying the transition color, which is like the Hula bronzer. I'm actually using the Hula bronzer. Then I'm applying a little bit of that corally. And then I am putting mascara on my bottom lashes. Do not forget mascara on bottom lashes. This is a very important step. Now for contouring, there we go. That's the Hula bronzer right there. And I'm just contouring. I love this little brush that it comes with because it helps me define the contour perfectly how I like it. And I'm just applying it on the side, on the temples of my face, and a little bit towards my forehead because I have a huge forehead. We want to hide that. And of course, contour my nose. Thank God for contouring of the nose. Then I'm using this Laura Geller, I think it's the Gelato blush in color Papaya. Everything is going to be down below. Then I'm using the e.l.f. Illuminating Palette, and I'm using that corner highlight, which is my absolute fave highlight right now. And girl, I'm packing on highlight everywhere. And then, of course, blend everything. I'm going in with the NYX Lingerie in 06 just to mattify and give more of a nude color to my lips. But then I'm moving on to the Gerard Cosmetic Hydra Matte Lipstick in the color Aphrodite. It's like a peachy color, I would say, orangey peachy color. And that's it. All I do is draw my lips well, that they look like I got lip injections, but I didn't. So here's a completed look, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it. It was quite simple and quite easy to do. I didn't want to make it too much. So I hope you guys really liked this video tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Well, ladies, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Again, if you really like it, don't forget to hit this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. Mwah, besotes. Be blessed, precious pearls. I will see you ladies on my next video. Bye.